Hi there, Mike McCaig here with Precedence Private Wealth. Today we're going to talk about tax sheltering your assets in your professional corp or your holding corp. There's two types of tax that you'll pay in your professional corp. One is on the revenue that goes into your corp, and to be honest, there's not much we can do about that. But the other type of tax that you'll pay out of your corp is the growth on the gains of your passive investments in your corp. And early on in your career, the big tax burden is on the revenue. But as you save more and have more passive growth on your investments, and your investments get larger, you'll end up actually paying more and more tax on this growth. And there is an easy way to tax shelter this money. The way we do that is something called a corporate estate bond. Basically, a corporate estate bond is a tax shelter that's owned inside your professional corporation, and it has three major advantages that will help you save tax. It will, first of all, shelter all the tax on the growth of your investments, which will give you a larger nest egg. The second part is that in retirement, or prior to retirement even, whenever you need an income stream out of your corporation, there's a way to use this bond to create a tax-free income stream into your retirement, which will, of course, reduce your personal tax burden because you won't have to pay dividend tax on your income. And then lastly, because these corporate bonds are built on an insurance platform, there is a residual estate value which will pay out after you die. Now that doesn't really help you much, however it will pay taxes on other investments you have, or perhaps the benefit will go to your estate or your charity or your kids. Three really important benefits. The dilemma right now is that we've had some changes to the rules of how to create a corporate estate bond, and there will be some changes starting on August 1st of 2017. So if you haven't heard from your tax planner or your accountant, whoever helps you out with your corporate tax planning and your personal tax planning, you need to reach back out to them or contact us at Precedence Private Wealth, because there is a bit of a deadline and the efficiency of these corporate estate bonds will be reduced after August 1st. The product still works, but basically the province of Saskatchewan has added PST to the cost of these premiums, which will put about a 1 or 2 year drag on the efficiency of your product. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Please do contact your tax planner or your accountant to see if you own a corporate estate bond, and if you don't, figure out how to set one up. We can help you or your advisors if they need any help. Thanks very much for your time. I hope this has been of value.